And away they go first time. It's a clean start, a very fast start from Alabakitola. Ashe is going well to in the lane 7, but Alabakitola seems to take this one. But Ashe dips it at the end. He seems to have emerged victorious, and he goes to the crowd and tells them to calm down. This boy is in form, and he knows how good that felt. A new champion has emerged. His name is Favour Ashe from Delta State to University of Tennessee, the NCAA silver medalist, and now the Nigerian champion. And the flash time is 9.99 seconds from Favour Ashe. His first sub 10 seconds. Favour Ashe, he calls himself the Nigerian Nightmare, and now he is the national champion. Give it up for Favour Ashe.